Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Apple iPhone 6 Plus smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take slow motion video in your phone Apple iPhone 6 Plus. First of all, open camera in your phone and then go to SLO option. This is slow motion option, and now capture slow motion video. Okay, I am going to take this video. Okay, and click on shooting button, and it's going now. While taking, it will be like a normal video, but after playing the video you will see the slow motion. Okay, I stop the video and play the video that I took. This is the video I am playing. See here, see the slow motion. See the video. Wow, slow motion is very nice. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video in your phone Apple iPhone 6 Plus. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.